Hi there and welcome back. Today I would like to talk about phone holding solutions. I currently run this Amazon special which is attached to my dashboard, and then it just rests on the dash itself, which is fine, but the thing is, when you go on slightly rougher terrain and off-roading, this thing starts bouncing around and you just can't see much. I used to use one of these bad boys, which is the suction to the windscreen ones, but once again a bit of rattling, especially with the heavier iPhone 10 that I now use. This just wasn't cutting the mustard, so I have bought myself a RAM mount, and this is a kit specifically made for Ford Rangers, and it comes with so it consists of a single 1-inch ball, a small arm, a double-sided 1-inch ball connector, a long arm, and then the X grip that it comes with. What you will need though is a longer bolt to make it work in the way I'll show you in a minute, but you need to effectively put this into the wagon. And where it's going to go, it's actually on here. You'll remove the screw holding this on, replace it with this, and then you can clamp everything else on. So let's crack on. And all you're going to need to get this all done is a 6mm socket, a posi drive screwdriver, and a bit of patience. So let's crack on and get this done and see how long it actually takes. Pretty straightforward, hopefully. There you go. You remove that bad boy, and in theory we should just job's a good one. I'll get you off of there and bring it closer so you can see what it actually looks like. So there you go. There's the RAM mount fitted. I need to just run the USB cable to it, but that doesn't really impact on my viewing. So there we go, that's my normal view, and you can see it's nice and low, not in the way, pretty much in eyesight. So that's a lot better than what that was, which is in the middle of the dashboard. So for navigation, that is going to be brilliant. Anyway, there you go guys, it's all done. It's all fitted there, it's nice and sturdy. There's still a little bit of movement in it, but I don't think there's much you can do about that. You can get the RAM mount kit from the rammount.co.uk website. They've got Ranger specific ones. I bought the one which came with a extra long bit and a double ball. I would say if you want to do what I've just done, all you need is the motorcycle 1-inch ball, the short mount, and the X grip. If I were to put that same system on the other side, I would probably use the longer arm purely for the old wife and get her to have her phone in front of her, or potentially an iPad. That would work on that side as well if you've got a navigator. To make the whole kit work, you need a long screw, a sleeve, and some washers to get it all fitted. If you go to the Ranger Club website, which I will link in the description below, for a whole £5 you can get everything sent to you. Lewis from the Ranger Club will send it off, and hopefully you'll get a little heart on the envelope as well. So if that was useful, please give me a thumbs up. It always helps. If you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing. I'm trying this whole YouTube thing, and subscriptions just tells me that I'm doing a good thing. It is a hobby of mine. It's purely for fun. So any help and comments on how I could make things better is appreciated. Have a good day and see you in the next one.